Hello there. This side is Raksha Naik, and I'm here to present about a very concise topic of Java programming language. Without any further delay, we will move to the proceeding slides. Now we will come to the introduction of Java programming language. So before telling what is Java, as I want to inform you that Java is a technology of a programming language as well as the platform. So Java is widely used currently. So Java is a programming language and a platform. Platform in the sense any hardware or software environment in which a program runs known as the platform. So Java has its own runtime environment that is called Java runtime environment, and API it is called platform. So Java has a capability of write once run anywhere feature. That means if you write a code anywhere, you can run that file whichever wherever you want. Okay, so as overall we can see that Java is a general purpose object oriented language, which is a programming language technology which is used by developers to create standalone application, web application, enterprise application as well as mobile application, etc, etc. Now we can see the history of Java. First of all, as I want to tell you that Java was invented by James Gosling by his team, Green Team. Okay. Now that name was first name was Green Talk. Okay, and their extension was GT. Okay, now the name was further renamed was oak, which is a national tree of many countries, which represent the Java is as a strength. Okay, Java is a developed part of the green project, so that's why the name was oak. Now Java history is interesting to know, but Java team members, that was a green team, was to develop a revolutionary task for such as we used television set top boxes. So Java was developed for their set top boxes. Okay, now we will see the very standard version of the Java from the 1998 to 2011, which is still continuing, which is Java 7. Okay, from the 1.2 version to 1.3, 1.4, 5, 6, 7, and still continuing the 7, which is Java support for dynamic language, swing application, and parallel computing support, which is the different version for different capabilities, different features. So this is the Java history, okay, by James Gosling. Now we will see the architecture of Java. First of all, I want to know what is the extension of C language, .c. What is the extension of C++, .cpp. So it is similar as in Java. That is, the extension of Java code is .java. First of all, we have to write a Java code in any IDE such as Eclipse, VS Code, whatever you want. So Java code is written and saved as .java with same public class name. Okay, class name will be same as the Java file name. Okay, then it will compile by compiler. Okay, Java file which is .java extension is first compiled in Java C form, and then it will interpret by interpreter, and it will convert it into bytecode. Okay, got it? Bytecode in the form of dot class form. Okay, and it will goes into the suitable Java virtual machine such as Windows, Linux, and Macintosh, etc, etc. So Java has the features of both compilation and interpretation. Okay, Java compilation, which is the reading the code from the top to bottom, and interpretation means that reading the code by line. Okay, Java architecture is so simple, so reliable. Java code first is saved as, it will compile, and then it will interpreted, and it will goes the suitable Java virtual machine. Now we will see the characteristics of Java. Java has several characteristics and features. Now we can see that Java is object oriented programming language. That means we use the objects and classes to represent the Java features, class, methods, functions, etc. etc. Java is so simple and concise. Java is more secure language. We can transfer one code from here to another place. Java is platform independent. Platform independent in the sense that Java, there are two type of platform, that means software based and hardware based. Java provides software based platform. Java provide different from most other platform in the sense that Java software based platform that runs on top of other hardware based platform. Okay, it has two components, that is runtime environment and application programming interface. So Java provide platform independent, that I told in the first slide, that write once, run anywhere. If you write a code in any interface, in any IDE, you can run in any other platform, in any other operating system such as Windows, Linux, Macintosh, any other, whichever you want. Now Java is robust. Robust means strong. Java use strong memory management. There is no, this means that there is lack of pointer that avoids security problem. Okay, there is automatic garbage collection in value. Java is portable. Portable means we can move the code from one place to another. Java is architecture neutral. That means it is architecture is so neutral. It doesn't mix with any other platforms. Now dynamic Java, we can change the Java code in any compilation, in any interpretation phase. Now interpreted, as I told that in Java can be interpreted as bytecode. That means it can read the program line by line. Okay, it in the compilation form, the whole code is read and checked by the compiler, and interpreter read the line, we read the code line by line, which is so useful for any developer. Now Java has a high performance. Java is faster than any traditional interpretation, since bytecode is close to native code, still somewhat slower than compiled language such as C++. And Java is multi-threaded, means that a thread is a separate program. Okay, so we can write Java program that deal with many tasks at once by defining multiple thread. Multiple thread had many advantage, that is it share the same memory, and we can use the web application. Okay, and distributed Java, we can create distributed application in Java. RMI and EJB are used for creating distributed application. We can access many files by calling the methods from any machine, from any IDE, from any operating system on the internet. Okay, now we can see there is a simple Java code of factorial. There are lots of projects we can make by the Java program. We can make, multiple of programs, uncountable programs. So it is a simple Java code program which is written in the VS Code, Visual Studio Code by Microsoft IDE, which is of a factorial of any number. Here we can see that there is an import of we import of Java file. There is a which is saved in .java extension, and we can see that there is a terminal is the VS Code, V is the factorial. We can see that there is a permutation and combination. There is a value of n is 5 and value of n is 2, and we can see there is a result of combination is 10 and the permutation is 20, which is so correct and reliable. Okay, thank you so much. I'm so glad that I have got an opportunity to represent the vast topic in a concise form, that is Java programming language. Thanks a lot. Thank you.